Hi, I'm Mark Haberwish. I'm the founder of NEOEx Systems. I'm here to talk to you today about our integrated liquid hydrogen energy systems for long-range unmanned aerial vehicles. The problem that we're having is that batteries, which are great for providing electric power to small UAVs and even larger UAVs at this time, is that they don't carry enough energy. So for a Group 2 UAV, you might get an hour of flight time with a battery. What we're here to do is provide the Extend Energy and Power System, which includes liquid hydrogen as energy storage that then converts that energy into power using a fuel cell. And using that technology, we're able to extend flight time to up to 20 hours, but to provide the same electric power to the vehicle. So hydrogen fuel cells are a direct replacement for batteries in electric aircraft. Dual use commercialization potential is very high for our technology. To be able to provide UAVs that can do missions such as monitoring rip currents, delivering packages, inspecting power lines, even flying in front of hurricanes and giving us better data in order to predict where they're going to head. So this industry is predicted to be $120 billion by the year 2030. Our vision, though, is much bigger than just the energy and power system for the UAVs, but it's a total solution to be able to provide the capability of refueling these vehicles and understanding how to get to hydrogen, where to get to hydrogen, how to make hydrogen, transfer it, store it, provide this capability at a base that will provide these vehicles the long duration of 500 miles in order to support a mission. And therefore, those that are in the field do not have to carry all that equipment to provide UAV support. So the base of the future is what we're thinking of, where we can tie into microgrids and be able to provide hydrogen as energy storage on the ground, or the long-range UAV fuel using our patented refueling system for the UAVs with liquid hydrogen. This capability then for these very small vehicles, we're talking less than 55 pounds gross takeoff weight. You can see there's a 1,000-mile range and what that means in terms of being able to fly from base to base and then flying around in different regions for up to 20 hours. Our related work involves us flowing liquid hydrogen this year, providing a direct liquid hydrogen patent pending technology that will fill the tanks directly. And this, along with our expansion at local airport, will allow us to provide liquid hydrogen services for vertical takeoff and landing type aircraft in the future. The reason I know we can do this is because I've done it before in underwater vehicles. What you see here is a liquid hydrogen, liquid oxygen fuel cell powered vehicle. We won an Oscar of Innovation, which is an R&D 100 award. And so I know that we can do this for aircraft as well. So please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for your time.